Good morning, students. In last class, we are discussing supplementary angles and complementary angles. That is very easy topic. I hope on every student understand the topic. So today we are going to only very easiest topic, adjacent angle. What is the adjacent angle? These adjacent angle depend upon this topic, exercise 4 and 5. So what is the adjacent angle? Two angles adjacent angle. Here see, two angles having common vertex and common arm. That angles we are called adjacent angles. See, the angle having common arm and common vertex. The angle having common arc and common vertex. That angles are called adjacent angle. Adjacent angles. Here definition. Here see. Now this is a initial ray, this is a terminal ray between another ray. So here see, this is a common point. This is A ray, B ray, C ray. So A ray common point, this is O. B ray common point O, C ray common point O. So these three lines common point O. So here common vertex. So this is called vertex. Common vertex. So this is called common vertex. Next one, common arm. So here see, this is one angle, this is one angle. These two angles common are common ray, B ray, OB ray. Now clear? See, this is one angle, this is one angle, but here common ray, OB ray. So these angles we are called adjacent angles. These angles we are called adjacent angle. Here see, the angles having common arc. See, this is a common arc and common vertex. That angles are called adjacent angles. Now clear? So this is a right angle. This is a adjacent angle. So here 45, here 45. So what this one we are called right angle, and also we are called supplementary, complementary angles. Sum of the two angles is equal to 90 degrees. That angles we are called complementary angles. So these adjacent angles is equal to 90 degrees. That angles we are called complementary angle. Next one, here 140, here 40. So here see, this is also adjacent angle. Here see, common vertex or vertex. This is A, B, O, C. OA ray, OB ray, OC ray. Here common vertex O and common arm, common ray OC ray. So these angles we are called adjacent angles. So here these adjacent angles, how many degrees? 40 and 140. How many degrees is equal? 180 degrees is equal. Sum of the two angles is equal to 180 degrees. What we are called? What we are called? Very good. Supplementary angles. See, sum of the two angles we are called 180 degrees. We are called supplementary angles. So this is a complementary angles. Complementary angles. This is called supplementary angles. Complementary angles, supplementary angles. So here exercise 4. Now this is OA, this is OB, this is OC, here O. This is one angle. This is OD. So these are adjacent angle or not adjacent angle? Not a adjacent angle. Why? Here see, the angles having common vertex. Here common vertex and also common arm. But here see, OB, here OD. So these are different arms. So these are not adjacent angles. Not adjacent angles. So these are adjacent angles. These are adjacent angles. These adjacent angles we are called complementary angles. These adjacent angles we are called supplementary angles. Write the note. See next one, exercise 4. Like exercise 4, 5, 6. See, which of the following adjacent angles is in first one, first picture? given this like. Here B, here A. So these are adjacent angle or not adjacent angle. So here see, common vertex here O, common arm here X. So this is a adjacent angle, simple adjacent angle. Next one. Here C, here D, C, D, CD. So this is adjacent angle or not? See, this is a common vertex, this is a common arm. So here these angle sharing this are, these angle sharing this ray, and these both one common vertex. So this is also adjacent angle. Very good. Next one. Here E, F. Here see, this angle, this is a common vertex. But here another common, this is a, these both angle here common vertex, here common vertex. Both are different vertex. There is a common ray. So this is not adjacent angle. Not adjacent angle. So actually finish this exercise. Only one problem only remaining. Name the all pairs of the adjacent angles in the given figure. How many pairs adjacent angles are there formed? Why these angles are called adjacent angle? Here A, B, C, D. So this is a O. Here see, how many pairs here adjacent angles? What are they? Why we are called adjacent angle? Here see, now this is, so angle AOD, angle AOD and angle COD. This is a one pair. This is a one adjacent angles. Next one. Now this like. Here angle ODC, DOC, angle COD. Next angle BOC. This is one pair. Next one. Now see, first this side we are count, next this one we count, next this one we count. Angle COB, angle BOC, our wish. Next angle B one pair adjacent angle. Now this is before this side, now before. After this side. So angle BOA, comma AOD. Here four pairs of adjacent angles. Why? Adjacent angle definition you write. What is the adjacent angle definition? See, the angle having common or and common vertex that angles we are called adjacent angles. That is right. Next one. Can two adjacent angles are supplementary? Draw the figure. Is it possible? Two angles forming adjacent. Easy. Third one, C. Yes. Two adjacent angles form supplementary angle. Here see, this is a straight line, AB straight line. Here O, between O point. So here you keep common arm. So here 50 degrees, 130 degrees. So this is a common vertex, this is a common ray. So these are these two angles, adjacent angles. Fourth one. Two adjacent angles can be complementary. Draw the figure. Yes. Two adjacent. Picture as you wish. Here I say 30. Here you take 20. Here 160. Your wish. Here 90. Here 90. Your wish. That is. So two adjacent angles form complementary angles. So here, what is a complementary angle? Must and should 90 degrees. These two angles. So here, so this is Now here 45 degrees, here 45 degrees, or picture your wish. So this is 30, this is 60. So 30, 60 or 50, 40. Just a definition, here we are satisfied. So common or common vertex, common arm. So here angles 40, 50, 45, 45, 30, 60. These are adjacent angles. These two angles we are adding is equal to 90 degrees. That angles we are called complementary angles. Next one, fifth one. Write 4 example of adjacent angle in your daily life. See, these like the pictures where you see, as is this like a picture. First one, wheel of the type, wheels of motor bicycle. Motor bicycle, bicycle, motorbike. See, now motorbike V. So that is a wheels of motorbike. Adjacent. This is a adjacent angle. Next one, branch of tree. Branch of tree. So now this is a tree. How to grow this like it? So here adjacent angle. Next one, third one, open scissor. Open scissor. Here see, this is a open scissor. So here forming adjacent angle. So remaining two you write homework. Just next one, exercise 5. Next, exercise 5. Exercise 5 before, just one. So we know in previous, like exercise before, what is the adjacent angles? Two angles having common vertex. Here, angles have common vertex. Sum of the adjacent angles is equal to 180 degrees. That angles we are called linear pair angle. Here, linear pairs. Linear pair. Sum of the two adjacent angle, simple, like a complementary, supplementary definition. Sum of the two adjacent angles is equal to 180 degrees. That angles we are called 180 degrees. That is we are called linear pair. That is we are called linear pair. Here see. So 1 70. So sum of the two adjacent angles. So these two adjacent angles is equal to 180 degrees. So now 110 plus 70, 180 degrees. So these two angles we are called linear pair angles. So exercise 5, first one. Draw the following pairs of the angles, adjacent angles, check whether they form linear pair. Here first one, exercise 5, first problem. One angle here given, that is 135. Another angle given, 45. So 135, 45. These are your C. Now 135. These one you are arrange this like 45. So here 135 plus 45 is equal to 180 degrees. This is a linear pair angle. Next one, 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. So these two angles are 90 degrees. So here 90, here 90. So these two angles, like this one attached this side. So 90, 90. 90 degrees plus 90 degrees, 180 degrees. So these two adjacent angles is equal to 180 degrees. That angles we are called linear pair. Next one. Here 140, third one. 140 and 55. So these one you are forming 140, 55. So 140 plus 55, 180. So 140 plus 55, 195, not equal to 180. So this is a not linear pair. Not linear pair. Next one. Niharika took two angles 130 and 50 and tried to check whether they form linear pair. She made following the picture. Here see, Niharika take second one, take two angles. One angle is 50. This angle is 130. Here see, 130 plus 50. These both are 180. But here, where is the common vertex? This is. Where is the common ray? There is no common ray. So, here, these are one angle. These are one angle. So here different rays. So 130 plus 50, 180. But this is a not linear pair. Why? Not linear pair. Why? Because above angles having no common arm. So finish exercise 5. Next one, exercise 6. Here see. What is this? Intersecting lines. What is the intersect? What is this? This is adjacent angles. Sorry. Intersecting lines. What is the intersect? Two lines join or meet at a point. That two lines we are called intersecting lines. That meet point we are called intersecting point. So here opposite angles are equal. Here see, intersecting lines, opposite angles are equal. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Angle 4 is equal to angle 2. So opposite angles are equal. Here exercise 6. Exercise 6, first one. Name two pairs of vertically opposite angles in the figure. So here one figure given. What this figure? A and B. A, B. This is DC. DC. This is E. So here opposite angles. What are they? See. Now here removing angle E. And removing E ray, like this is this like. So A, B, D, C. Here opposite angles. So angle AOD, angle AOD is equal to this opposite angle BOC. Next, angle AOC, angle DOB. These one pair, these one pair. Opposite angles are equal. Next one. Find the measure x, y, z without actually measuring them. Second one. Here x, y, z. Here 160. So intersecting lines, opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. So angle x is equal to angle z, angle y is equal to 160. Now we know angle y is equal to how many degrees? 160. So here linear pair x, y, x and y is linear pair angles. X, y are adjacent angles because x, y are adjacent angles. So what is the linear pair? Sum of the two adjacent angles is equal to 180 degrees. So now here write down x plus y is equal to 180 degrees. So y angle how many degrees? 160. X plus 160 is equal to 180. X equal to 160 moving to RHS. 180 minus 160. X equal to 20 degrees. So here angle x is equal to angle z. Angle x is equal to angle z. Angle x 20 is equal to angle z. So angle x how many degrees? 20. Angle z how many degrees? 20. Angle y 160 and another angle 160. So that is so vertical opposite angles means this is a vertical opposite angles. Next third question, give some example of vertical opposite angles in your surrounding. Like these, like in your surrounding, which figures you are observing, like a open scissors, this like a coming. So some examples you write. So that is a homework. So exercise 6 also we have finished. Third one, give some examples of vertically opposite angles in your surrounding. Opposite angles in your surrounding. So as is this like opposite angles, vertically opposite angles. You write some example, open scissors. So we have 6 exercises finished. Tomorrow we are going to exercise 7. Actually there is one topic, that is a transversal. So shall leave the class. Take care.